Guys, it's happened. 2020 May update got released 1 week ago. And of course, there was still the bug that I reported, make a video of it. And I get in contact with somebody at Microsoft, at least to let him know about the bug. And he said, like, write an email to the people that built that driver. Write in the email, of course. I got no response. But yesterday I was looking at this blog post that is the no issues and notification, and if you go down at this point, you may see the problem I reported 8 months ago. So maybe our video helped them? I don't know, but yeah, exactly the problem. An incompatibility issue found with app driver using certain version of a case phrase Windows. Activated version, present Windows failed to install or might fail to start after the update. Affected file version up, the safeguard experience we apply. So basically what they did now, they block update for people having a particular driver. Now, I say, Roberto, how you can have, because I updated this computer to the last version, how you can have May update and solve the problem? Well, the trick you do to solve the problem is you basically don't let that particular driver to start. You just modify this to %4. And this essentially solves the problem, because it doesn't let the driver to start. If the driver doesn't start, you are safe. But I don't have problem with this other driver. But this driver, yes. If I now enable this and I restart my computer, I get a piece of that just after I log in into the user. So this is the trick if you want to install this update. So I install it because really I needed some features that they added, so I install it. And apparently the software like GST is still working also if the driver is removed. So I think that particular DRM check only happened in installation time, because otherwise I shouldn't be able to start GST when I have the thing. So yeah, I think I can even run a simulation. So try to run a simulation of an array of an antenna. Maybe I can't. No, I can't. It's just slowly. Yeah, I know. Just want to make sure that it worked. Yeah, it worked. Okay. So while I run the simulation, just was trying. So you see, at least now they acknowledge the problem. They probably, I don't know when they're gonna make a fix, if this is gonna ever make a fix, but again, you see that I still think the feedback needs to be tailored with people say about BSOD, because at least here in Italy, if you look at the Italian version of the feedback app, it's just stupid comments say it worked. That is not a feedback. A feedback is I have a problem, this is how you solve it. So I think that what they should do is just only allow feedback on bugs, on problems, and taking more attention on it, and stopping allowing feedback for new features, because that is just polluted the environment, and having more feedback to analyze, and of course you skip the important one, because again, I just want to speak, but they release an operating system, you have all of these issues. So this is blocking issues, all of this when you release an operating system to billions of people. Now Windows run on billions of devices, Windows 10, so yeah, you potentially have 1 billion person having the same problem, and you potentially in the future, if you make more attention, having 1 million devices fucked up because of some bug. So I think that they should modify this system, maybe also the system of insiders and stuff, in order to basically having more importance on BSODs, on people reporting problems and not people reporting new features. So this is just my finalization of what we said last. We should up our voices, and apparently Microsoft heard it. So yeah, but they should heard it 8 months ago when I reported the bug, not after the release of the operating system, for sure. This is the main problem. This thing they could have fixed it if they saw my bug reporting 8 months ago. I reported this 7 or 8 months ago. Now I don't remember what we see in the last video, but I think it's like 8 or 7 months ago. So you see, this is how you do. If you found the bug before shipping an operating system. That is good. So yeah, this is just a small video, but that was the finale of what I said last time. And see you next time when there will be something else. I don't know what, but maybe I'm gonna do another video. I don't know. See you next time.